If you want to know how to add more friends on a Snapchat, fix too many friends problem, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it right, we just simply need to open our Snapchat. And from this page here, if you'll click on our avatar in the left top corner, we can now scroll down to find our friends and click on my friends. So here we can find all the guys who are in our friends list. And what if we need to add someone more, but we are not able? It says like you have too many friends, you can't use it or do some other stuff. So in order to fix it, I suggest you to find the unnecessary guys in this list right here. So you can scroll to find someone, and after that just simply click on manage friendship, and then just click on remove a friend. But what if you don't want to remove someone? Do you have the solution? Yeah, we can use one more trick. So if you'll go back and if you'll click on settings in the right top, then we need to scroll down to find support, and here we need to click on I need help. So after that, we need to click on my account is compromised, or using Snapchat, I'm going to click on my account is compromised. It is the easiest way of how to find basically the report form. So we need to scroll down, and here we can find the form where we need to fill the username, email address, and mobile number. And also we have the description where we need to explain our problem, what's wrong with us. So we need to explain that we need to add more friends to our Snapchat and there is a limit or something like this. So can you please fix it for me? How can we do this? How can we fix it? So explain as much detailed as possible. And after that, just simply click on submit. After that, your problem will be automatically solved. And this is a way of how to add more friends on Snapchat. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.